Well, hello, and welcome back to Shane's Hobby Shop. Yeah, as you can tell, it's getting a little cold out here, but let's go ahead and do one more project before we gotta shut the shop down. Want to see what it is? Let's stay tuned. Yeah, it is getting pretty cold up here now, so I don't know if I'm going to try and continue doing wood shop out here during the winter time or just shut the shop down until winter's over. I don't know. I'm going to play that by ear for now, but I want to do one more project at least before Christmas gets here. You know, I got my granddaughter here, so I want to build something for her for Christmas. And the plans I got, they are not mine, so I cannot give them to you. But yet I'll leave a link in the description below where you can go down to the website and get it for yourself. It's from the website Make Something. What is it? Well, it's going to be a Lego table. I believe she has a bigger version, but this is going to be a small version to where you can build your Legos right up on top. Has a pull-out drawer where you can put all your Legos in. Now, it will be made by MDF. It's going to be a half a sheet of MDF and then a little bitty piece of 1/4-inch hardboard for the drawer bottom. It will be put together with pocket screws and glue, and then I'm going to paint it. And we're also going to use one set of drawer slides. No handle, so I'm going to make it where she can reach down below the drawer and pull it open below it. Alright, so let's go ahead and get busy. Well, okay, we got the main part of the table built already, alright? As you can see, I do got some little glue squeeze out. I kind of wiped it up. I'm not really too worried about it because it's going to be painted. Now, I'm not going to paint the main top here. I will be getting the edges here, but the actual top I'm not going to paint. What I'm going to be doing is be gluing some of those Lego base plates down. I think it's going to hold 2 base plates. Be gluing it down, and in the front here is going to be a pull-out jar. Well, she'll be having her Lego pieces, and all she got to do is take them out and put them on here and start building. Alright, so this thing is ready for sanding to get it ready for painting, but first let's move on to making this drawer front, okay? Alright, very simple. Let's do this. Okay, earlier when we was cutting all of our pieces for this project, we went ahead and cut even for the drawer. I got a little 1/4-inch hardboard for the drawer bottom. These are going to be the drawer sides, the front and back, and even a drawer face. Alright, but what we're going to do now is take the 2 drawer sides and the front and back, and we're going to rabbet in a little spot down at the bottom for this drawer bottom. Alright, then we're going to take it and we're going to be pocket hole screwing these here to the front and back. Alright, so let's go ahead and get on the table. Let's make this rabbet on here, and then let's go ahead and put it together. Well, hello, welcome back. All right, it is a new day today. I spent the rest of the night last night actually building this drawer right here and installing it on here dry fit for now. It's got a few screws in there, putting it on. But, yeah, I didn't videotape building the drawer because it is pretty simple. Got my hardboard down here, and I got pocket screws in front and in back. Well, this is the front, this is the back, and then I put a drawer face on it. So yeah, pretty simple. And then I put the hardware in. So that's what I done last night. Today is much colder today than it was yesterday. So what my plans are, I'm gonna have to take this someplace else nice and warm just so I can paint it. So I won't be doing that on camera either, but I'm actually going to do a paint job on it, sand it down here, take it away, do a paint job. Still got a couple of days to go, so I'm sure the paint will dry, but yeah, I'm going to paint it green, like a Lego green, or at least that's what I'm shooting for. And then I got some Legos on order. I'm going to put the base plates up here, glue them down, and she'll have all her Legos in here. Alright. So yeah, if you want these plans, go to the website, build something, not make something, build something, and download these plans. And yeah, they're very easy to build. I really like it. All right. So next time you see it, it will be painted, and it may even have the Legos on it. I don't know yet, but then the final picture you will see it completely done. All right. So we'll see you next time. Well, okay, we got it completed now. Like I said, on top here is two base plates that I got glued down. What I actually use is contact cement. I went ahead and put it on the actual bottom of the base plates, and I also put it on the top of the table that was here. Waited about 20 minutes, and then I put them in. Now then, the link in the description below will take you to where I got these base plates at. But be careful if you use these plans. The base plates say they is 15 by 15 square. They are not. They're more like 15 3/4. So I actually had to cut these base plates down to fit this. Alright, and so went ahead, got it glued down. Very nice. But what is a Lego table without Legos? Right here, I got over 2,000 Legos in this drawer here that she can just play with and build whatever it is that she wants. Alright, so yeah, it looks like it's a finished, completed job here. Alright, again, if you'd like to get these plans for this Lego table, it will be a link in the description below to where you can go and download these plans for yourself. It is now complete. Still got a little over a week left to go to Christmas, so I'm way ahead of schedule. Just got to figure out how I'm going to wrap this up. Alright, so yeah, there you go. Now, also in the link in the description below, I'm going to leave you two links. If you want to help support this channel, it'll be a PayPal link and a Patreon link. Just go ahead and donate whatever you like. If you can, if you can't, I totally understand. That's just going to help me in the shop here, update my tools, get some wood in here, and so on and so forth. On my website, Shaneshobbyshop.com, I give away all my plans for free, so these won't be on there, but the plans that I make up myself, they are on the website, and I think even a couple of others that I didn't make up, but they are on the website, all for free. Alright, so go to Shaneshobbyshop.com, get your plans, link in the description below for any donation I do appreciate, and the link to building your own Lego table. Alright, well, my name's Shane. This is Shane's Hobby Shop. For me and my family, we would like to wish you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year's, and we will see you next year. Bye-bye, y'all. There, I made a Lego house. Okay, now it's a Lego house. Let's just hope that my granddaughter can do a better job than I can.